Hi guys, I'm going to quickly show you how to post the announcements to your third hour class. So Johnson's going to email you a link. You are going to copy that link from your email. Okay, and then you are going to go into your third hour class, and you can do this as say something. It's probably the easiest way to do it. Just title it, put the message that Johnson has asked you to put in there. And then you're going to click the add button, and this time you're going to add a link. So from the add button, you're going to add a link. Control V will paste it into there, and then you're going to click add, and then the link for the video should be on there, and then you just click post. So it's very quick, easy way to post the announcements to your third hour class.